Welcome to Credit Gyan series. Today we are going to talk on 5 common credit misconceptions. When it comes to credit report and credit score, there are lots of rumors or misconceptions you have heard from your relatives, friends and neighbors. There are plethora of myths about what you should and should not do to manage your credit. But all what you have heard are not right and may cost you lowering your credit score or additional issue in credit report. Here are 5 common credit misconceptions and the fact which will help you make responsible decisions when managing your credit. 1. Your score will drop if you check your own credit. False. The fact is, this is most probably the most common myth. However, monitoring your credit score helps you track progress when building credit, but it is important to check it the right way. Checking your credit report and credit score through either a credit monitoring site or a CIBIL.com is considered as a soft inquiry on your credit reports, which does not impact your credit score at all. Only hard inquiries initiated by a lender or a bank, which are applications for an extension of a credit, can impact your credit score. 2. Closing old accounts is a good idea. False. The fact is, many people preach closing old and inactive accounts as a gospel, but you should think twice before closing your oldest accounts. Closing old credit accounts with a good credit history can lower your credit score by decreasing the average age of your open accounts and shortening your length of credit history, which accounts for 15% of your overall credit score. Keep your oldest account open and active even if they have small credit limit. 3. Paid collections are automatically deleted from your credit report. False. The fact is, derogatory trade lines such as collections, charge-offs and repossessions remain on your credit reports for longer time, whether they are paid or not. Paying off the account does not remove it from your credit report automatically. It is still a good idea to pay your debts, but just be aware of one very important thing. Accounts active within the last 6 months have the most impact on your credit score. So, although paying an old collection account may seem like a logical step towards improving your credit score, it may actually end up lowering your credit score because it reactivates the date of last activity or a date last reported on the account and may end up lowering your credit score. Before paying an old inactive collection, you may want to validate the debt. 4. Being a co-signer does not make you liable for the account. False. The fact is, if you co-sign for someone's loan, there is something you should know. When you open a joint account or co-sign on a loan, you are taking legal and equal liability on the account. Any activity on these shared accounts, good, bad or ugly, will show up on both consumers' credit report. If you co-sign for a friend's auto loan and they do not make the payments, your credit score will be hurt by their poor payment history and vice versa. In fact, if the borrower defaults on the loan as the co-borrower, you will be 100% liable for the debt and responsible for paying all of it back. In nutshell, do not co-sign for anyone unless you are willing to take over the payments and responsibility for the debt if the person you co-signed for cannot make the payments. 5. Paying off a debt will add 50 points to your credit score. False. The fact is, your credit score is a compilation of several different factors. It is very difficult to predict how many points you can gain by changing one factor. For a person with a high credit score, just one late payment can cause a significant drop. If a person has a low credit score, it may not cause a large drop at all. Paying off a debt may increase your credit score in some cases, but it may lower your scores as well. It is important to take a look at your credit report as a whole before making a decision to settle any accounts. Most importantly, pay your bills on time, reduce the amount of revolving debt you have, and work on removing erroneous, misleading, inaccurate, or incomplete derogatory accounts from your credit reports, either by yourself or by hiring a company like Apurva Foundation to do the work on your behalf. For more details, any suggestions, advice, call or miss call on the number given in description box. Thank you.